was trouble for that one bolt. That. It was 2 bolts. I wanted that one. But now we can stick this in here. No, it's not my echo. I just noticed something. Where's the damn ECU? What have we here? Box for like maybe 3 days. And this is what we need for us to get started with this. Ooh, see some fancy stuff. Hey, alright, so mountain bolts, ARP studs for the pressure plate, ARP studs for the flywheel. Alright, and then these bolts is to mount or to bolt the transmission to the engine. So just like that, guys, we got the last set of bolts that we need. I'm missing one more. The bolts that attach the bell housing to the transmission, that's the bolts that I'm missing. And the C-clip that goes in the middle of there. But I'm about to give Blake a call and see if Nissan has those bolts, and if they do, then I'm probably gonna start this tonight. Alright, so right now we're on the way to Blake's house to help him load up the engine hoist in the truck so he can bring it over to the house so I can start getting the engine prepped and ready and all of that other stuff. Now that I'm thinking about it, I really probably don't need it right now, but it'd be better to have it so I could go ahead and put the order in for these bolts, and when they come in I could just throw them in and throw everything in. It's getting down to that time. But yeah, I'll see you when we get over to Blake's house. Showing off now. This guy.
This guy's.
Yeah, she's really trying. It's working.
And it's hard, so it's gonna take time.
Alright, we'll be back in a second. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Damn, I forgot I did that. Let me get it in the right light. Anyway, it says LB. La Bass. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy La Bass. We back again with our next one. Today, we're putting the engine in the car. Well, we're prepping the engine to go in the car. And then we're putting the engine in the car. I'm excited. Hopefully, Blake come through with that clip for the transmission, because that's the last thing I need. And then we done. Then we got everything, and then they're going in the car. But today, we need to put a pilot bushing in. We can go ahead and get started on that. We're about to get so tight. I swear I lost it. Okay, cool. Now we can get on with the rest of the bill.
It's whenever I turn it on.
It's electric. We get to go for a ride. Down in the car?
Yeah, so it's a 93 NA swapped to a twin turbo manual, stock turbos, boost controller, boost gauge, and I'm running about 14 PSI right now. And she gets up and goes.
my first ride in his Z. This is my first ride in his Z since he rebuilt it, so we're gonna see what it do. Okay. It's definitely faster than last time.
Yeah, I think the other boost controller it was at like 5 or 6 psi.
Okay.
Or it was like 15, 16.
But we know we're not going that way. They are. She worked, bro. Yeah, she definitely worked. Ooh, it feel a lot better than last time, bro. Okay.
Felt like pretty sluggish before not getting much boost.
Yeah, definitely. And then didn't you have like injector issues or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so. You won't sling it at the light. She definitely pulled. Well, that was fun. Yeah, hopefully you'll let me do a review on it at some point. What you think, Sanchez? You gonna let me drive it?
Yeah, I believe so.
Ah, next video. No red line. Aww. Yeah.
Just a few times on the road.
Yeah. Oh. Didn't mean to disrespect you. But yeah. That's what a running one look like. Bread will take my pilot bearing out.
It's coming out.
And get something like that. Right. Okay, so it's the next day, and as you can see, we were trying diligently to get this out, but it's not working out. This should dry now. That's gonna be interesting to take out. So today, we continue beating. Okay, so this bread thing is not cutting it for me. It's just making a big mess. And I don't think this is going anywhere. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's. I'm gonna rent the tool to pull the bearing out and just do it that way. Just do that and be done with it. But I just want to let you guys know, whatever you guys want to do, you can do. Just like how I got 2 kids and all this stuff to do, and I still got time for me to learn new stuff. Ain't no reason why you can't too. So go ahead and push yourself to do something new. Shout out to everybody that bought some merch. I really appreciate it. I work hard on those designs, and I got a couple more coming, so stay tuned. Let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the progress on the car. Let me know how excited you guys are. I can't wait to hear it start. I can't wait even more to drive it. I just want to drive. That's all I want to do. But enough rambling. Tried to cut down on the rambling a lot this video. Appreciate y'all for staying to the end. If you stayed to the end, comment roasted. Like that boy just got roasted. Comment Comment roasted down below if you stay to the end, so I can know you're a real one. Alright, y'all, hold it down. Stay safe, stay sane, keep your hands clean, keep your money in your pocket, and I'll see y'all next time. Oh, it's all yours.